Rodman. Today we're going to talk about the PSO-RITE. Now, I've been looking at this equipment here for a long time, wanting one, and I'm really excited to test it out, to try it out, and tell you what I think about it. And if you've watched our videos for any length of time, you know we talk about the psoas being a very tight muscle and very understretched and under massaged. Why? Because it's underneath all your intestines here. It's really hard to get to, but it's a lower back muscle that's in the front of the lower back. We always think of lower back as back here. This is posterior lower back, anterior lower back. And what happens when the psoas gets really stiff and tight, you'll hear people often complain of stiffness going from sitting to standing, or just a constant ache in their low back across the way here. And it's not really coming from their low back, it's coming from the psoas getting tight and actually tilting their pelvis forward. So we've always talked in the past about using something like this, which I still like. It's a Supernova. It's basically like a large, rubber softball. And we use this to get into this area and do some self-massage. The problem with this one is that it's a little wider than the contact point for the PSO-RITE. So sometimes you're massaging things that maybe you shouldn't be pressing on as much, like some of the abdominal contents. This one is a little more narrow and can get right into that psoas. And then also, this is one thing, this is two, right? So here, you can get into both psoas muscles at the same time. So let me demonstrate here for you. Basically what you do is you take it and you go about right at the belly button level, and that's gonna be where that psoas starts. And you put it down on here and easily get into that area, because it can hurt really bad if you get in there a little too quick. And from here, I just can hang out. So it makes it a very easy way to massage your psoas. You can read a book, be on your phone, meditate, relax, and just kind of hang out in this position. Now from here, another thing that I really like about this is I have it placed right on the inside of this bone here, right inside of the ilium. So what I can do is kind of also angle and kind of stretch and kind of peel some of that tight psoas iliacus muscle off of the bone here by kind of getting into that spot and then just propping myself up and turning a little bit. And that really, I can feel a good stretch. And that's one very unique thing that the PSO-RITE can do that the ball can't quite do as well. And it's a little hard to see, but it's in there really deep right now. It should be slightly uncomfortable. Usually when you're doing the PSO-RITE, you want to do it shouldn't be more than maybe a 5 on your pain scale out of 10. And you want to do this for usually about 3 minutes a day. And that can help to really loosen up these super tight muscles that are so undertreated, because people don't realize how important they are and how much of a nuisance they are for lower back pain. But I really like this. It's very easy to do. I think it should be something that everybody has. PSO-RITE also has a lot more products that I think are really cool too. We maybe talk on a further video about them, but I wanted to talk to you about their main piece of equipment today, which I think is this great tool. It also can be used for other areas, but I think that the main thing, the best thing it does, getting right in the psoas. So the PSO-RITE 5-star review, love it. Get yourself one. Dr. Rodman, have a great day.